Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you divisibility rules. So let's get started. So the divisibility rule for 2, last digit is even. So let's see that. I'm going to pick 37. Well, the last digit is not even, so it's not correct. Well, then let's see 38. The last digit is even, so it's divisible by 2. Okay. The divisibility rule for 3. Add up all the digits and see if it is the multiple of 3. So let's do 7, 1, 3. So 7 plus 1 is 8, and then 8 plus 3 is 11. So 11 is not a multiple of 3, so this is not divisible by 3. Then let's try 8, 2, 2. So 8 plus 2 is 10, and then 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12. And that one, so it is a multiple of 3. So this is divisible by 3. Okay. Divisibility rule for 4. Check the last 2 digits and see if it is the multiple of 4. Okay. So for 4, let's pick 3, 9, 2. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna pick an easier one for you guys. Let's do 3, 4, 1. Yeah. So the last 2 is 41, and that's not a multiple of 4. Now let's try 220. So 20 is a multiple of 4, so this is divisible. And 341 is not. Divisibility rule for 5. Check the last digit if it is either 0 or 5. Okay, so let's try 50 and 37. 37. So this is kind of the easiest. It uses common sense. This one has the last digit as a 0 and this one doesn't. Or as a 5, so like 55. That's a last digit of 5, so yeah, it's divisible. Divisibility rule for 6. If it is divisible by 2 and 3, it is divisible by 6. So let's do 4, 7, 2. Now the last digit is even, so it's divisible by 2. And if I add that up, so 4 plus 7 is 11, and then plus 2 is 13. So 13 is not a multiple of 3, so this is not divisible by 6. Let me do 12. So it is divisible by 2, and then if I do 1 plus 2, that's 3, and that is a multiple of 3, so it is divisible by 6. Okay. Divisibility rule for 7. Remaining digits, last digit times 2. If the difference is divisible by 7 or difference is 0, then it is divisible. So let's see. 4, 2, 2. Now, okay, I'm gonna take, here, let me add a 3 over here. Now I'm gonna take this and split it. So the last digit Okay, so I'm actually going to erase this. The last digit times 2. So times 2 would be 4. That kind of looks like a 9. Okay, 4. Now, so it's equals 4. So let me do, so it is the difference. So 3, 4, 2 minus 4. That is 3, 3, 8. Now, after I do that, see if the difference is divisible by 7. So it's totally not 0 and by 7. So I'm gonna do it again if it's divisible by 7. So last digit times 2 remaining digits. So this times 2 is 16, and so I'll do the algorithm. So here I'm gonna borrow, so it'll become 2 and this will become 13. And then so 6, so 4 and okay, 7. Then oh, this was not a times. I'm sorry. This was minus. Yeah. And then 1. So it's 17. After we see that, so 17, it is not divisible by 7 or 0. So it is not divisible by 7. Here, now I'll try a different one. Let's try 77. Now I'll split it. 7 times 2 is 14. Then I'll do this. So, okay. Actually, let me add just one more 7. So it'll be easier. 7. Okay. Now 77 minus 14 is 3 and this is 6. So yes, 63 is a multiple of 7. So 777 is divisible by 7. Divisibility rule for 8. See the last 3 digits if they're divisible. So let's do 2, 9, 3, 8, 8, 8. So last 3 digits if they're divisible. So you do know that 8 times 111 will equal 888, like this. This is not a divisibility rule I'm doing here, it's just common sense. Because if you do it this way, it'll be 8, 8, 8. But the part where you have to see the last 3 digits, that is the divisibility rule. So this is divisible. Okay, now let's go to the next one. Divisibility rule for 9, same as 3. So it's the same rule as 3. So let's do 2, 2. That's an awkward 2. 2, 2, 1. So 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 4 plus 1 is 5. 5. Now that is not a multiple of 3, so nope. Let's do 9, 9, 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9 is equal to 9 times 3. So that's 27, and that is a multiple of 3. So it is a multiple of 9. Last one, almost the easiest one, I think. Divisibility rule for 10. So for 10, if the last digit is 0, like 70, the last digit is 0, so it's good. So guys, this is the end of my video. If you would want to hear more videos about this study stuff and more presentations, leave a comment below saying yes, and then like my video and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.